Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. Now that Rebecca managed to give the king's wife umntwana, and Rebecca king's wife did not know at that time ukuthi lo mntwana kahle kahle akusowakhe, hayi right. Umntwana manje mele ayenzele umsebenzi. uRebecca phela khumbula ukuthi bambongile, hey bambonga nje uRebecca, bambeka on a high pedestal. Hayi bambonge kanjalo uRebecca semele kwenziwe i-cleansing ceremony. Bathi lo mntwana lo if akangwenya angeke adrown, but if akusiwa kangenya masimfaka kula manzi azodrown. Hayi ugela angene kuJune July, because uyazi ukuthi umntwana akusiwa kangwenya, umntwana wakabani wakanandi. Hayi ayenza ama-means ukuthi a-blackmail inyanga shemske ebusela i-blackmail-eke nayo, mara ngathi uzoyicisha sikho sure. Blackmaileni kwayo inyanga i-declare ukuthi umntwana wakangwenya. Hayi ijabule indoda-ke igugu umntwana yenzeni being the king umbuso. But umbuso does not know ukuthi deep down lo mntwana vele akuso wakhe, right? Umbuso at this point now he's the only one not knowing, because ubonile lo ukuthi hey ugirl ngathi akaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ubani loyo? uMareza. Wamtshela ugela ukuthi phela kusumntana akho lo, wena wakho ufile lo mntana so. Ngapha khona umalume ofuna ukuthi aqishe lo mntwana. Hayi umalume uzamile ukuqisha umntwana akaqisheki. Uzamile ukuqisha umntwana akaqisheki. Okay sharp. Mamele angenwe isangoma la declare ukuthi umntwana wakangwenya without the water thingy. Alright sharp, akuna problem. I-problem izoba kuthenini uNandi sekageziwe, sekadeclareile ukuthi akanamntwana, umntwana ushonile nani. And now uSolomzi the way alwela umamakhe ngakhona, the day azowazi ukuthi umamakhe umenze such a horrible thing, i-betrayal engaka, I wonder ukuthi uzothini. And also the day kuzovela ukuthi lethuna leli abanqabe umntwana kulo kahle kahle umntwana wrong, what's going to happen? Are they going to ukuvula lethuna babhere I don't know bathathe lo mntana lo bamuse eSwatini, or bazoyenza kanjani, because of she's like he or the baby is buried in the wrong grounds. But ke at this point uNandi akasenamntwana, and the only person we can blame is that uSolomzi azame ukucisha uChuma khona lapho. In the process uChuma at least they fought back for him. Isibhamu sahala ukudubula. First time, second time the brother to uNandi dealt with him. Now there are two characters that are new that we have seen thus far that will be part of the storyline, and it looks like they will be bringing us more drama, because now they are also enemies to who? To Usiga Mareza. They want to know what pushed umalume, being Nandi's dad, to commit suicide, and the guy that is after Rebecca is from the army. How will that land us? Into esiyaziyo manje esimangaza sonke, uChuma usindisiwe. Yebo, uChuma usindisiwe, ugeze ngegazi lemvana, umzalwane zawo udobha iBhayibheli estradini. Hey wakhuleka man, wakhuleka kwasala kangaka ukuthi phume ama tongues, like it was literally 5-2 ukuthi uChuma athi tongue. Kanti hayi ke wakhuleka ke uChuma, khana sizobona ukuthi what will be the end results. Now into eyenzakalayo futhi engixakayo, uvela phuphasile imatric, uvela phujola jola nalo sisi umama kangam approve as a girlfriend, right? Now here's the problem. The problem is makabuya girlfriend from prison, what's going to happen to their relationship, considering ukuthi girlfriend said, my friend ngicela ungigadele umuntu wami phela, bangadlaleli phezu komuntu wami. Kanti ke umngani ugada umuntu ngokwenzani nge-marinate. Malume naye ahambe-ke kubo Nomsa ayocela uxolo nani uNomsa ukuthi uzomxolela yile singakayazi. But ke uNomsa asadlala i-hide and seek, uThenjiwe wathi sixolela sonke malume. Hayi ke uyamazi ukuthi ke unjani, ngisho she's a drama queen, uxolela everybody else but her family. She did explain ukuthi next time don't choose abantu bangaphandle over us. Hey wara. And then they made peace and they are going back to their old home. Umalume uyohlalisana noMatseliso because uMatseliso uphunyelwe i-RDP. Umuntu kaBanzi yena on the other hand is still in hospital. Remember uNelly was attacked during the time laba bafuna ukushisa khona uMadlamini, when they realized ukuthi uMadlamini is not a true preacher but uMadlamini ubusy udonsa abantu ngechemical. Yes, udonsa abantu ngomuthi. Not that people like to be in her church, but now une spirit behind attracting people. Hayi mabathi badila naye shem uNelly waba umuntu wenza sure ukuthi uyamprotect, but upon protecting her yena she sacrificed her own life and she is in ICU manje uphefumula ngomshini. Ubanzi is stressed like you'd have no idea. Uthenjiwe was there to comfort Ubanzi, but asathi uyamcomforta umbamba ama-shoulders uMathilisa wathi seniqalile ngalo mkhuba wenu omubi. I pray ukuthi they don't decide to do sneaky link behind Nelly's back while she's fighting for her life.